Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you how you can create your own Seesaw lesson. When you are in your Activities tab, you go to Browse Library. On here you then can choose My Library and create new activity. When creating your activity, you're going to want to know what you're wanting to title it and what resources you need. So you need to have them prepared ahead of time. I'm going to do one for the parts of plants. So I'm going to title it Parts of Plants. In this box, you want to insert your directions. Once you've added all the directions in that you think you'll need, you can choose to add voice instructions or multimedia instruction or example. For this one, I'm not going to do that at the time. I'm going to scroll down though because I do want to add a template. From here, you can select to make a photo, or you can draw, video, link, note. I'm going to upload a background. For mine, it's going to be a PDF. And it's going to be a picture of a flower with areas to label. When you upload your image, it is going to be locked into place. In order to try to move it, you must click the Move tool, and then you will need to unlock it. I like my size and shape, so I'm not going to unlock it. I'm going to leave it how it is. Now I need to create the parts that they are going to move to label. So I'm going to go over here to the Text or Label tool. I'm going to type in a part of the flower, and then I'm going to change the background by selecting Style and Fill in Background. Over on the side, I can now change the color of the background of the text tool. I can reshape it so that it'll fit better onto the boxes, and then list them over here on the side. To make it a little quicker, you can right-click on the box, you can duplicate, and then just retype. Once you have all your pieces in place, you go over to the green check, tap it, and it's now in with your activity. Once you're done, you hit Save, and it's now ready for you to assign to your students. I hope this helps you better understand Seesaw and how to make your own activities for the future.